Apple's new 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max have finally been launched. You can now use USB Type-C in all devices. You will get the same dynamic ILED in both, but you won't get the 120Hz display to see. The brightness has also been increased a lot. You will get the 48 megapixel camera to see. You will get the matte finish on the backside as well. Now let's come to the Pro level. Now you get to see the titanium body. One more big change that you won't get to see in iPhones is an action button. You can set this button for any task. You will get the powerful A17 Bionic chip, iOS 17 and the long-lasting battery to see. You get 100 volts to see, and you can add ray tracing in these phones as well. Let's come to the lens. The Pro variant has a 3x lens and a 2x lens. In Pro Max you can do 5x plus 15x optically. Well, at the end, let's come to the price. The final price of 15 is $799 and the 15 Plus is $899. The Pro variant cost $999 and the Pro Max cost $1199. If you like the video, follow for more.